Hey guys, so you're thinking about getting a portable car starter? Well, I have something here kind of interesting, small, portable, can charge your phone, can charge your iPad, can charge everything, even everything. It's just crazy. Small, compact, I think it's pretty cool. Let's do the unboxing, take a look at it, tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to this one. So we're talking about car starters or jumpers or portable jumpers for your car. You know, if your car runs low, your battery's kind of weak, and you want to have something in your trunk or in your glove box that you want to start your car with. I think this is a good solution. Instead of carrying those big, bulky, huge, things they sell with the big cables, it's just, I don't think it's necessary for a quick jump. I mean, this is really designed for just a quick jump. It's not over powerful. It's 8,000, which is actually pretty powerful. 8,000, right? That's a pretty decent size boost. But again, it's just to jump the car. It has basically two jumper cables you can see here. It's portable ones actually go into the device here, and then it tells you that you can't hook it up wrong as well. So if you hook it up incorrectly, it won't work. It'll just tell you that it's wrong. You hook it up correctly, it gives you that information. Jump starts most 12-volt vehicles. It says recharges less. Let's see, it has a charger so you can charge outside devices. It has a USB 2.4A USB-C ports as well. It has USB 2.4A as well and USB-C. So it has all different types of outputs for charging different devices. So it has all that built into it. It has a flashlight built into it. It has a flashlight that goes on steadily. It has a blinking light and also an SOS flash. I'm not sure if anybody even knows what SOS is anymore today, but it has it. It's in there, and it has a spark-proof clamp, so you really can't, arc it. Some old-fashioned jumpers can, you can arc, you can cause a problem, even an explosion possibly. So you have to be really careful of that. Okay, IP64 splash protection, so it is waterproof. That's very important too, and does charge most mobile devices. So it's a really all-in-one. Basically device, keep it in your car, make sure it's charged. That's the big thing. Make sure the charger that charges your battery is charged. Crazy, right? But that's what it is. So just make sure this is charged. Check it every few months. It doesn't come with a charger with this. You can use your computer to charge this, or you can even use a dongle or USB or whatever you have plugged in the wall to charge this up, basically. So this is fairly simple, fairly easy to use. And let's just do the unboxing, take a look at it. I'll leave a description down below where you can pick this up. The manufacturer's called Type S, as in Sam, and you can pick this up online. I will leave a description down below where you can pick up yours. I think this is really kind of cool, especially if you have an older car. Battery's not the best, you're worried, or if you have your daughter or son is in college and you're worried about them breaking down, the battery dies. I think this is really a great solution. So it comes in a carrying case as well. And this is the actual brick charger itself. So let's take a look at the carrying case together and see what is in it. Okay, open up the case and we see a...
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my video. I do appreciate that. Please don't forget to subscribe. It does help my channel out, and I do appreciate that. And don't forget to check out all my other videos on my channel. Have a great day, and let's get back to the unboxing.
Stop, read the instructions, which we all know. Put that over here. It comes with the user manual. Okay, and I do recommend reading the user manual. Sometimes I always say, don't read the user manual, but this one here gives you a lot of different feedback as far as, it should be at least 50% charged for it to jump cars. Certain maintenance involved, different codes you will get, things like that. So read the manual. It comes in a super nice case, so you basically put the brick charger in here, and these are your jumping cables. So what's in here, let's go over this. So what you're seeing here, stuck. Whoa. Hold on. All right, here we go. All right, so we got a couple different things here. So it gives you a little charger for the car. So if you want to charge a device off your battery, in case you kill your battery, you can jump your battery. Again, a little weird, but just be aware of that. If you have a low battery, make sure your car is running. If you want to charge a device, if your battery is strong, don't worry about it. And this is a very inexpensive charger. It's not the highest quality. It's 1.5 amperage, I think it is. Let's take a look here and see what it says. 1.5 milliamp, yeah. So this is a really slow charger, but it is what it is. They give it to you. It's included in the kit. So we'll put that to the side. You have a case. You have a charger. Okay, they give you a cable. Now this cable here you use to charge your brick with this. Okay, so you basically plug this into your iPhone jack or any kind of any I guess, charging port in your house, or even your computer, it says you can use, which will probably take forever, but whatever. And then you plug this into the brick and charges it, and gives you notifications. So it tells you percentage of charge, so you know where it's at. And these are the jumping cables. Okay, so everyone's familiar with jumping cables, right? Like little miniature ones, right? These are cute, but they were actually well built. It's got a thick cord on it, so it can handle the amperage. It gives you some codes on the back here, so it tells you if it's set up correctly, if it's not hooked on correctly. So it gives you all kinds of different little blinking codes. You can read those codes. Very simple to use. You put the red on the red, black on the black. That's pretty self-explanatory. It does have a 3-port prong in the back that plugs into the device. So there are some older ones on the market. This has been around for a while, this company. So they have different models and different variations of this, but this one works with this device here. Okay, so let's take a look at this together, see what we have. Okay, so basically here's the flashlight like I was telling you about, okay? And to activate the flashlight, you press the button down, and you can see it turns on. So there's the flashlight, okay? To do a blinking flashlight, you just press it again, you have your blinking flashlight. To do an SOS, you're blinking again, and there's your standard SOS. If people don't understand what that means, I think it's 3 fast, 2 slow, 3 fast, something like that. So basically it's like Morse code. So SOS means help, obviously, and Morse code is the way they use it to transmit that information, either by dots and dashes onto a signal, right, or a flash, well, the same thing. So that's how that kind of works. So you can look that up as well. So it already came at, you can see that, 73% charge. All right, so that's cool. So you can actually jump your car right now out of that box. All right, let's look inside here. This is where you have your ports here, your additional ports, okay? You have your USB, USB-C, and then you have your port here to charge your device. So here's your little charging port here. You just plug it in here, okay? And then you charge it up in your house or wherever you want to charge your computer. I guess you can charge it even in your car, right? Think about that, right? That's probably why they even have that. I guess that's the reason for that. All right, so that charges. So this will charge your. So this will charge your battery charger. So if the battery dies, then you could jump your battery because I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. All right, take that out. And this is where you plug in your port here to start your car. So those suckers go right in there like that there, as you can see, okay? And that pretty much you hook up to your car, and it reads the voltage, it knows what it's for, and basically it will activate the actual car jumping feature, and that's pretty much how that works. So let's see. All right, so that's what it says here. So basically when I hooked up the cable, so cleared cables to battery. So now it says here, so you can read that. So as soon as you plug it in, it knows. All right, so pretty self-explanatory. You don't really have to do a lot of guesswork. You got the little blinking lights over here, so you can give you some warnings, so you can see what's happening. Yeah, those little blinking lights, as you can see. Okay, cool. So this is awesome. I actually think this is really a great gift. You know, anytime. I don't care if it's holiday time. I don't care if your kids, if you have a child going to school, if you're worried about your wife, or if you're worried about yourself. You can't go wrong with this type of, basically, peace of mind. Okay, it's really small. It fits in the case over here. You can see. All right, this slides in the case here, like that. All right, you put the jumper cables in here like that. You close it up and you throw this in your glove box or in your trunk. Okay, read the instructions. You probably have to charge it maybe every 6 months or every year. Make sure it's charged. You know, make sure it works. It'll charge you. Like I said, it'll charge your. You can charge your phone. You can charge your iPad. Most importantly, it's really designed to jump your car, right? Because if your car's stuck on the road and you want to jump it, it's really important.
Yeah, especially, you know, if you're stuck on the road, like I said before, you get stuck, you need to borrow someone's jumping cables. That's annoying because usually they don't have them. You got to run around the parking lot and it's just horrible. So pick this up for yourself. I think it's a great deal. It works fantastic. It's small, portable, and powerful. And those are the things that you need, especially when you're stuck. All right, guys, I appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.